Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Litecoin with Kraken, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer Litecoin using Kraken, start by logging into your Kraken account. Once logged in, navigate to the Funding tab located on the top menu. In the Funding section, click on the drop-down menu and select Withdraw. Next, find and click on Litecoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. You will now see the options for withdrawing Litecoin. Enter the address to which you want to send the Litecoin in the address field. Make sure to double-check the wallet address for accuracy. Under the Amount section, specify the quantity of Litecoin you wish to transfer. If desired, you can add a note to your transaction in the description field. Look for the Withdraw button and click it to initiate the transaction. A confirmation window will appear, summarizing your withdrawal details. Review the details carefully before proceeding. If everything looks correct, confirm the withdrawal by clicking on the Final Confirmation button. You may be prompted to complete a two-factor authentication process for security. Once confirmed, the transaction will be processed. You can monitor the withdrawal status on the same funding page under the History section. Remember, it may take some time for the transaction to be completed based on network conditions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.